Hey guys, welcome to another video. Now I told you guys that I was going on a farming break, so right now I'm at my backyard and I'm doing some weeding out and digging out. I am going to plant some callaloo because I realized that my this morning I went to my cousin ground and I realized that he had a lot of callaloo sucker that bust up in him ground. So what me I gonna do? Me I gonna go there and get some. So I'm just gonna plant it at this section right here, so I can have it for like yard use purpose. So that's what I am doing right now, guys. I have my machete right here and I'm just digging out the holes and all that, cleaning out these weeds that's in here, so I can go ahead and finish dig out the hole them, plant the callaloo. So weed tree now, same way I'm gonna left them because them can smoke same way. So guys, these are the callaloo sucker I was telling you guys about. So I'm just going ahead and pulling out some of these to plant. Yeah, so these weren't planted. These callaloo was planted before, and the seedlings drop on the ground, and because a lot of rainfall, they bust back up and stuff. So I pull out some of them. So guys, these are the callaloo suckers that I have. So I'm gonna drop them out here now. So you drop one at each hole like that. Then afterwards you can make work a lot easier when you drop them out like this, because afterwards just go and plant them. So yeah, just drop them out like that and it make work very easy. So I have finished drop out all the callaloo suckers that I want to plant. So I'm gonna go ahead and plant these now. And if you can see, I have some of them, I have two in the hole. You can do it like that because I don't want to dig any more hole, because as I've said before, this is for household purpose, not really for going to the market or anything like that. So I don't want a big ground. And if you guys know, callaloo sucker can give you like a big tree. One sucker can give you a big tree with a lot of limbs and such on it, so you can get a good eating off one tree. So you don't really need a whole heap of callaloo for like yard purpose. And guys, you want to make sure that you sink your fingers very. See how long the roots are? You need to get all of that root into the dirt. Then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna water it. Normally I would wait until I finish the complete planting, then I water it, but no, just for bittering purpose, I'm gonna go ahead and water it. So I'm using my hand to sprinkle the water like that so I can get the water evenly around the roots. So guys, I have finished planting the callaloo suckers and finished with everything. So what you want to do now, tomorrow morning you come again and you water them with some water, or if you have enough water you can do it in the evening also, so morning and evening. But you know what I'm gonna do right now? I'll go to my bed and I'm gonna pray for some rainfall, because I get a heavy shower rain. I not have to water them again because eventually them will catch within 4 days time, then catch up back on something. So I'm gonna pray for some rainfall, you know, so that I not have to come back tomorrow morning to water them. But I mean, if no rain fall, well, I mean I have to come and I have to get them water because I don't want them to die. So hey, the weed tree ready for cutting now. Who smoke weed? You know what that tree? I won't burn up the chalice. You know what the ganja tree? Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with all your friends, and leave a comment and let me know how you plant callaloo and all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And I'll give you guys an update on how this callaloo ground is going.